Good morning. Today we are going to discuss one of the exciting assignment from class 10th and the topic heredity. Let us discuss one by one question. The first question is here, what is microevolution? So very small change in the genes of the species is called as here microevolution. So very small change in the within the species is called as here microevolution. So let us write the answer. A small change within species is called microevolution. A small change within the species called as microevolution, whereas a macro is a many changes and number of changes. So microevolution, which is the largest changes. Let us go for the next question. The next question is, what are homologous organs? Homo, it is a similar. Okay, so similar in their structure but the different in their function. That kind of organs are called as here homologous organs. Homologous organs similar in their origin. Mean to say that origin is a structure. Different in their function. So here similar in their structure, different in their functions. This kind of organs are called as homologous organs, and the evolution we can call divergent evolution. Divergent evolution. For example, forelimbs of human, forelimbs of horse, wings of bats, etc. So these are the structure is similar, but they will be utilized that a function it is different. For example, forelimbs of human for the walking and the running, and forelimbs of horse especially for the running itself. Wings of bat, the structure is similar, but the wings which are very useful for the flying itself. So that is what here homologous organs. Let us go for the next question. The next question is, write the differences between the divergent evolution and the convergent evolution. So divergent evolution and the convergent evolution. Divergent and convergent evolution. So first point in the divergent evolution, this we can see that in the homologous organs. Homologous organs. So the organisms which are exhibiting these homologous organs, these are the evidences of that evolution, and that kind of evolution is called as here divergent evolution. So here and analogous organs. So organisms which are different in their structure, similar in their function, that kind of organisms which shows that convergent evolution. So these will comes into that common ancestors. So comes from the common ancestors. The second point comes from the common ancestors. These will not comes from the common ancestors. So, the example of this, best example for this homologous organs, we can write that forelimbs of vertebrates, forelimbs of vertebrates, forelimbs of bat, forelimbs of horses, wings of bats. So these will show that similar in their structure but the different in their function. But when it comes to this point of example, wings of bat and wings of birds. Similar in their structure, wings, but the different, similar in their function, wings, which are for the flying purposes, but the different in the like structure. So what is that? Bat wings which are having that patagium, skin folds will be there. So this skin folds are called as patagium, whereas this one is absent in the birds. So wings both are useful for the flying itself, similar in their function, different in their origin. Okay, so that is what the differences between this divergent evolution and the convergent evolution. So let us go for that of next question. The next question is, from the set of figures given below, make a pair of homologous and analogous organs each and give one reason in the case of both to justify your answers. Just now as we have discussed. So what are these? Are all frog, lizard, bird, human, and here they have given bat and bird. Okay, so this will comes under that homologous organs, homologous organs, whereas this will comes under that analogous organs. So here what is meant by the homologous organs? Structure similar, means the origin is similar and the function is different. Function is different. Here when comparing with that of analogous organs, structure is different and the function it is similar. So when you see this here, patagium of this bat, and you can see there, this one is here bird. So the structure it is different, but both are having that wings which are very useful for the flying itself. That kind of organs are called as analogous organs, which shows that a convergent evolution, where here the frog, lizard, birds, human beings all are having that forelimbs, but their function it is different. For example, bird, forelimbs of the bird which are useful for the flying itself, where the human being it is very useful for the walking and the running itself. Okay, so that is what here we can give the answer in a justifying level, that are reasons for this question. Okay, so that's all for this assignment. Thank you.